Cardano value equivalent to 7.2486 rands a coin. The present cost range, 7.2125, 7.3388. The earlier day close, 7.3219. The change was 0.0733. 1.00%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, February 20. Cost 7.46 rands. High 7.98. Low 6.94. Cardano figure on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 7.18 rands. High 7.68. Low 6.68. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 7.72 rands. High 8.26. Low 7.18. Cardano figure on Thursday, February 23. Cost 8.34 rands. High 8.92. Low 7.76. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Cost 8.15 rands. High 8.72. Low 7.58. In multi-week Cardano figure on Monday, February 27. Cost 8.16 rands. High 8.73. Low 7.59. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 8.35 rands. High 8.93. Low 7.77. Cardano figure on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 8.44 rands. High 9.03. Low 7.85. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 7.64 rands. High 8.17. Low 7.11. Cardano figure on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 7.58 rands. High 8.11. Low 7.05. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 8.14 rands. High 8.71. Low 7.57. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 7.82 rands. High 8.37. Low 7.27. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 7.84 rands. High 8.39. Low 7.29. Cardano estimate on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 7.71 rands. High 8.25. Low 7.17. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 7.60 rands. High 8.13. Low 7.07. In 3 weeks Cardano estimate on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 7.56 rands. High 8.09. Low 7.03. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 7.98 rands. High 8.54. Low 7.42. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 8.33 rands. High 8.91. Low 7.75. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 7.85 rands. High 8.40. Low 7.30. Cardano estimate on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 8.09 rands. High 8.66. Low 7.52. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 7.81 rands. High 8.36. Low 7.26. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 8.31 rands. High 8.89. Low 7.73. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for February 2023. At the outset cost at 6.75 rands, excessive cost 8.93. While low cost 6.08. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.53. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.35, change for February 23.7%. Cardano conjecture for Walk 2023. At the outset cost at 8.35 rands, excessive cost 10.24. While low cost 7.03. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.80. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.57. Change for spring 14.6%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. At the outset cost at 9.57 rands, excessive cost 11.88. While low cost 9.57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.53. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.10. Change for April 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for May 2023. To start with cost at 11.10 rands, exorbitant cost 11.10. while low cost 8.67. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.05. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 9.32. Change for May 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 9.32 rands, excessive cost 9.32, while low cost 7.28. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.44. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.83. Change for June 16.0%. Cardano figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 7.83 rands, excessive cost 7.90. While low cost 6.86, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.49. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.38, change for July 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 7.38 rands, excessive cost 8.17. While low cost 7.11, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.58. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.64. Change for August 3.5%. Cardano figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 7.64 rands, excessive cost 7.64, while low cost 6.32. The found the middle value of cost 7.10. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.80. Change for September 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 6.80 rands, exorbitant cost 8.35, while low cost 6.80. The found the middle value of cost 7.44. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.80. Change for October 14.7%. Cardano gauge for November 2023. In the first place cost at 7.80 rands, exorbitant cost 7.80, while low cost 6.09. The found the middle value of cost 7.06. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.55, change for November 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 6.55 rands, exorbitant cost 6.55, while low cost 5.12. The found the middle value of cost 5.93. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.50. Change for December 16.0%. Cardano gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 5.50 rands, exorbitant cost 5.50, while low cost 4.30. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.98. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.62. Change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 4.62 rands, excessive cost 5.49, while low cost 4.62. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.97. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.13. Change for February 11.0%. ZAR to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 0.1380 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1363, 0.1386.